Oka matarikla namaskara inchulare Yanmas Tusharale Yanapura Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Inita vlog yan Boston ite Boston le. I dina ratri yan Haymarket ke povandule like panda groceries that on the bay. I'm gonna buy some groceries. Boka nikla tojbave incha that groceries na detondole. So if you want to buy groceries in Boston, you go to Haymarket. Sometimes, if you want to get fresh fruits and vegetables. Itte yan tirtapoy ndale Subway good. Symphony Greenland good batte. So here we go. Okay. Anchane yanite Subway na katondole. Yeah. Is this the Medford? Yeah, I think so. Okay, yani te Haymarket ke batte yan ite yan college dostal ottage pudar nina pudar china pair nina pair
Priyanka.
Okay.
We will get chicken.
Okay. Because you have to tell people.
Okay.
Like, do you think it's easy to get food that you need to make all the food you want? Do you think it's easy to get food here?
Food or groceries?
Groceries.
Groceries. It is easy to get here. Actually.
Okay. Yeah.
We get everything for $1 or $2, so it's pretty cheap, and we can save for 1 week or 2 weeks.
Okay. So it's pretty easy to get food. Kashtaiji. Piria undu. Churu piria. Tule.
I will get banana.
Irike tojpave. Shunti.
Where?
Muji dollar undu. 1 pound shunti. So, okay, Surata destination, Masa the market undu. Tule, Kai, Tarai. Ananas. Masa the market. Kori the tandoe.
1.81.
What dollars undu? ಮೀನು ಉಂಡು ಮುಲ್ಪ ಕೂರಿದ ಮಾಂಸ ಉಂಡು ಕೂರಿದ ಮಾಂಸ ಎಡ್ ಮಾಂಸ ಪುಳೆ ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿ potato capsicum ಮುಲ್ಪ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮೀನು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಮೀನು ಬೊಕ ಡೆಂಜಿ ಬೊಂಡಾಸ್ ತುಲೆ ಡೆಂಜಿ ಬೊಕ ಮೀನು looks like that. Yeah, New England mean must famous undu. Boston ularda Haymarket ke bale daik panda jasti foods ular and there's lots of foods very fresh. You can find everything here. So some of the tropical foods, others it's hard to find. Ananas, bachankai, beluli.
La calle acá donde yo estoy, Blackson Street. Sí, donde yo, sí, la Blackson Street es la 96.
Munchi, kai munchi, jalapeno. Mata fruit mulpa undu. Yeah. Here Boston ullarada. Here Boston ullarda Haymarket ke bale dagpanda pura vegetable mata food undu. You can find everything here. So if you're in Boston, come to Haymarket. Tarai. Boppankai. Shunti. All the berries. Parande dete. Pula berries under. Pura. Cuckoo.
What's that?
Muji cuckoo.
Cuckoo?
$1 undu.
$1.